Okay, so today we're making this crochet earring. Let's go up close with the little beads. So you'll need a gold hoop, a 1mm, there we go, a 1mm crochet hook, the beads of your choice, a needle to help with the beading, and you'll need stretchy thread, scissors, and of course crochet yarn. This is this brand, it's crochet number 5. That's the size of this crochet. And let's begin. Okay, to begin with a magic circle. So wrap around your finger, grab it like so, slip your crochet hook under the first, wrap around, grab that working yarn, twist, yarn over with the working yarn, pull through the loop, and you have a working magic circle. Now we need 8 single crochets. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, first single crochet. Under the loop, grab your yarn, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull through two single crochets one more time. Under the loop, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is 3 single crochets. I will meet you when I'm done with 8. Okay, so you're done with your 8th one, and then in your first single crochet, you slip stitch. So you pull a loop through, and then you pull that loop through that second loop, and you have a slip stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, yarn over, and into that first stitch you will place 4 double crochets. So through that first stitch, yarn over, through that first stitch, yarn, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, then you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your first double crochet. Then you proceed to place in 3 more, yarn over, into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is your second double crochet. I'll see you when I'm done with the 4th, and we'll proceed. Okay, so I'm done with the 4th, and now you have 5 double crochets. Remember that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and this part here, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this stitch here counts as the 5th stitch. Now from the front, put your hook through that stitch like so. Grab your working loop, put your hook through it, tighten it, and then pull it through that first stitch and tighten to create your first petal. Now chain 2, 1, 2. Alright, now yarn over, and into that second stitch place 5 double crochets. So into that second stitch, push your hook through, grab your yarn, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, you have 2, pull through 2. That is your first double crochet. Yarn over in that stitch, pull up a loop, you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, you have 2, and I'll meet you at the 5th double crochet. Okay, so we've done 5 double crochets, and we go all the way to that first double crochet, which is here, and pull our hook through there, and we put our hook through that working hoop that we elongated, and we pull, and you tighten. That's your second petal. 1, 2, chain 2, and you repeat the process all the way around until you get to the end. I'll see you when we get to the 8th single crochet in the magic ring. So we're at the 8th one, so chain 2, yarn over, insert into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 3, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, 4th double crochet, and the last double crochet. into that first double crochet and place your loop, pull and tighten, chain 2, 1, 2, and then we slip stitch at the back of, slip stitch at the back of that first petal. Let's grab one like so. There we go. And then we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now this also acts as a double crochet. Yarn over and into that chain 2 space that was created when we were making the petals, we enter 4 double crochets like we did at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the same fashion, find that first chain here, put the face chain through, grab a yarn and pull through and tighten and chain 2, and we repeat the process we had for this round all the way around. That will give us these two layers. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, please press the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you when I come to the end, which will be the 8th petal on the 2nd row. Right, so we've slip stitched into that last one and we have our 2 rows. Now tighten by pulling that tail for the magic circle, and for me this is as tight as it goes. There we go, not that very tight, but that doesn't matter because we're putting beads in the middle. Now to attach to our hoop, open your hoop, put your working yarn through, and generally I would chain 1 for this, just to grab it and then turn it upside down, sorry, like so, so that I can single crochet across to this end. So just hold it under the hoop, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, and over the loop grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops into the loop, grab your yarn, pull up 2 loops, grab your yarn, 2. So I think about 6 single crochets. Okay, 6 is a bit much, but let's say 4 single crochets and see what happens. Okay, so I've done 4. Now I'm going to slip stitch. Let me just remove this tail. I'm going to slip stitch here, the beginning of this chain, here, under the hoop, like so. Grab the yarn, pull through, and slip stitch. Oops, then chain 1 and cut. There we go. Fold it and tighten, and now just for added level of security I'm going to tie 3 knots onto this loop, so 1, 2, and 3. So I lost the footage when I was securing the beads here, but I'll show you on this flower. So you'll need your chrysaline thread, which is clear. There we go, focused. It looks like that. But if you can't find it, use cotton thread. That looks the same color. Right, so you pick up your beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you secure it, you just go in loops the back. And then you push down. And let's pull this gently. There we go. Oh, okay. It's okay. There we go. So it creates this little lump like this, and you want it to lie down. So you take your thread and you push it up here. Now thread through the bead, 1, 2 beads, pull up, and then you thread downward out this way. See? There. There you go. And it lies flat. So to make the others lie flat, you bring up your needle where the bead is and you thread 1. Excuse me. It's not focusing. You thread 1. Wait. You thread through this bead. And you thread through the second bead that's standing up. And you pull through your thread. And to make it lie down, you just push through the center like so. And you pull, and there we go, all lying down nice and neat and tight. And then you secure the back, so you thread through the hoops like thread through like this, and excuse me, you pull through, and you have a secure little bead. And there you go, you have cute little earrings beaded and crocheted. See you next time.